What if I told you that you can simulate sales call using AI? Yes, you can, and I'm going to show you in this new project I'm working on. Now, the whole idea is I click on a button, I connect to a call, and I start talking to a person, in this case, an AI, and I try to sell my product or service or whatever. Now, we're going to use LiveKit for this. LiveKit is cool, is great. Check out their website. Before we jump into the text editor, I would like to show you how it will be, the flow of the whole thing before we start. So this is the flow. So the user connects to the front end, makes a call, and have conversation with AI in the front end. So that's basically it. But there is an issue because sales, when you're having sales call, you call and it's usually random people. So it's not the same person over and over again, and that's what we want to try to simulate in this case. And to be wrong if well, always calling and the AI is always the same or always responding the same. So to achieve this random effect like a real sales call happens, what we need to do is we need to create persona, and they need to be random every time we make a call. So this is the persona generation. This is how we're going to, generate a person. You're going to have a name, a profession, role, seniority, industry, personality traits, current mode, key pain points, budget sensitivity, in case we, sell our product or service too high, and then the AI will be like, yeah, that's not in my budget or something. Just we're just trying to achieve some sort of simulation here, practice sales call. So time availability and initial attitude. Maybe initial attitude and maybe uninterested, so or interested, whatever. We are not going to build this for now. This is just later stuff. All these are later stuff. So this is what we're going to do for now. So you have seen the flow on screen. Let's jump into our text editor. Let me show you the code, the persona generation, and we'll talk to the AI and test it out. So here we are in the text editor. Okay, and let me just show you the persona. This is the first thing I'm going to show you. So we have these personas. That's names, professions, role, seniority, industries, personality traits. There are lots and lots of all of this. So time availability days is Monday to Friday, and initial attitude this. So what we want to do, or what we're trying to achieve, is we're going to get random persona from this data right here. So that's this is the persona file that generates the random persona. So it gets a random name from the list of names, it gets a random profession, gets a random role, etc. That's what it does. The personality traits, it gets 2 to 6 traits, random traits, and the current mode, etc. And then it puts it in this persona object, and then it sends it to the backend. Now, no front end yet because I'm just testing this out. I'm playing with it. I'm getting to walk around with LiveKit to understand how the whole platform works. And for now, we're going to use the CLI agent. Maybe in the next video, I would have built the front end, but for now, we use the CLI agent. So this is the CLI agent. Uh, it has instructions and they use a call prompt. Let me show you the call prompt. So this is prompts, and this is the call prompt. Now you're simulating a real human receiving a live conversation. You're not an stand blah 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 blah. You are Now using template strings, I did not put the name in there because it's going to be random every time. When I'm now sending the call to the command line to have communication with the AI, I will send in the persona also. So persona is always random every time. The AI will always respond differently every time. Let's check it out. Let's see. Let's see how it is. Sales call is not my thing. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell Gemini to act like it's a sales representative of Audit Lens, a project that I built recently. And Gemini is going to try to sell it to this sales call AI. So let's see how AI talk to AI and see what happens. Hey man, I need your help. You're going to act as a sales rep for Audit Lens. Audit Lens is a platform that audits websites and generates reports and provides information about what to fix and how to go about fixing it. So, can you do that?
Yes, I can do that. I'm ready to start the simulation whenever you are.
All right. I'll tell you when I'm ready to start.
Yeah, who is this?
I was hoping to discuss your current website auditing process.
Not really the best time. What's this regarding exactly?
I understand. Audit Lens is an AI-powered platform that simplifies website auditing, helping businesses save time and identify and fix issues more efficiently.
Look, I'm really in the middle of something. Can you just send me an email with the details?
Certainly, I can do that. What's the best email address?
Just use my work email. You should be able to find it online.
I will do that. Thank you for your time.
Alright, that one was nice. Let's do the last one and we'll call it a day.
Hello?
Good morning. I'm calling from Audit Lens.
And what do you guys do?
Our platform provides comprehensive reports and actionable insights to quickly identify and fix website issues. Are you currently using any solutions for that?
Yeah, we have a few things in place. What kind of issues are we talking about?
It can detect a range of issues, from broken links and performance problems to SEO concerns and compliance gaps, providing clear steps for remediation.
So, like, all of it? Every possible issue?
It offers a very comprehensive scan, covering key areas that impact your site's performance and compliance. Would you be open to a brief demo to see how it works?
A bit swamped right now, but I'm always open to seeing new tech. How brief is brief?
It would just be a quick overview, around 10-15 minutes at your convenience, perhaps later this week.
Later this week is tough. I'm pretty booked. What about early next week?
Early next week works for me. I can send you a calendar invite with a few options. Does that sound good?
Sure, send it over. Make it for Monday if you can.
I will do that. Thank you for your time and have a productive day.
So there you go. That's it for this video.